Davidson Dental Center, where changing smiles changes lives. It's not a slogan, it's reality.
When you come to Dave Davidson, you don't just come to Dave Davidson, the dentist, you come to Dave Dentist, the family.
It's fun to come to the dentist office because it's not like going to a dentist.
I'm happy when I have to go to the dentist.
David Davidson is wonderful. He knows exactly what to do.
Here at Davidson Dental, you have excellent people that have worked a long time. They're highly trained. Dr. Davidson himself is highly trained.
A passion is probably an overused word, but I can honestly tell you that I have a true passion for what I do. It affects their quality of care. It affects the excellence that we deliver on a day in and day out basis. We don't want to be just the best office in Athens, Tennessee or East Tennessee. We want to be one of the best offices in this nation. Our standard of care is our pursuit of excellence. And I can honestly say from the bottom of my heart that we strive for that excellence day in and day out.
I'm office manager now, and one thing that I like about working for Davidson Dental Center is the laid-back family atmosphere. We all the team members get along really well, and we just love each other as a family, and we treat our patients as family, and I think that's one reason the patients like coming here. Our patients feel like they get the gentle dental care, they get quality dental care, and I do believe they feel like that, you know, we care about their welfare, their well-being, as well as their dental health.
Well, you know, here at Davidson Dental Center, you know, we do a high emphasis on cosmetic dentistry, and there's a lot of labs that you could use that do a lot, you know, porcelain veneers or porcelain crowns, but we absolutely use one of the best labs in the world. I mean, it's a lab that you know, does a lot of cosmetics for the Beverly Hills, Hollywood type movie stars, and you know, that sort of thing.
Dr. Davidson has been with us for a number of years. He's actually one of our first accounts. It's been over 20 years he's been working with us. Like I said, always understanding, and he's willing to learn every time and learn to go that extra step and to make sure that, like I said, that the patient's happy. His first priority is that the patient's happy, and if the patient's happy and he's happy, then we're happy and everybody's happy. The neatest things about us is that we do everything on the crown and bridge area. We do everything under microscope, everything from trimming the dies to metal finishing to contouring the final case, and then the final QC is all done under a microscope. As long as we get a good impression, we can really make sure that we give you the best product to be put out.
Not only is Dr. Dave a great dentist, when he's at home, he does not mind helping around the house. Of course, sometimes his family in the fire department would prefer that he just stick to dentistry.
We have some property we just bought, and he was burning brush over there. Well, he had just lit it. I think he just put gas on it. Well, he turned around and the fire just went way up in his face like this, and he come home and his eyebrows were singed off and his hair was all singed off. It was so funny. I mean, he doesn't have much hair as it is, so.
It's been said, don't tell me how much you know till you show me how much you care. In these testimonials, you will see how much Dr. Dave cares for his patients.
Well, I had a severe operation last December, and interestingly enough, I had some tooth issues. Dave not only came to my house, he came, took care of me, took care of my needs because I physiologically could not get out of the house. Now, what dentist will make a home visit to take care of a need that you're having?
Yeah, I was real nervous, very scared, because I had to have some work done on my teeth. I met Doc Davidson, and he set me in the chair, and I was his only patient that day. And so he stood with me the whole entire time. We sat in the chair, and he worked on me for 12.5 hours. And he never left my side. He would stop, give me a moment to rest. He'd work a little bit. It was great. I would recommend this to anybody.
It's a cosmetic case. Her name's Margaret. We did her case, and she came back, and I asked her, I said, Margaret, I said, well, you know, how do you feel about your teeth? And I still get kind of choked up about it today. I mean, she got tears in her eyes. She said her husband had Alzheimer's, and she said when she went home that he noticed the difference. And I mean, you know, I mean, that just, she said that was worth any amount of money she'd ever had to spend for that memory.
You've seen the heart of Davidson Dental Center, the love for their family, their passion for dentistry, but most of all, their care and concern for you. So pick up the phone and give a call today to change your smile and change your life.